I'm still gonna beat you. You suck balls. Cause I'm so MLG. Where are you? Come on. Where are you? Oh. Turn off your fucking phone. Oh! I just got a headshot! Oh! Teabag from the fucking air! Oh, yeah. Oh, hey! Hey, stop! That's illegal! What the fuck?! Come on, where are you? What, probably camping? Oh, shit! Oh my fucking god! You're such a fucking camper! Yeah, teabag, because you got a fucking vagina. So I don't see how it's possible. I dare you. What the fuck? I shot like 10 bullets into you! Oh my god! I finally kill you? Screw you, Wapper Flapper! You probably tap at home! God! I hate this game! Every time I 1v1 somebody, all they do is hack! Probably. Oh my god! Stop fucking camping! Fuck you. Oh! Get punched in the dick! Wait, you don't have a dick. Same thing. Come on. How did you notice? Oh my god! Fuck you, I'm not looking at you. Fuck you, fuck. Fuck you using pistol. Oh my god. Are you fucking stupid? Oh my fucking god. I should've just fucking killed her while I had the chance. Fucking dumbass kitties. Oh! Fuck yeah! What? I needed the fucking assassination! Fucking bullshit! Oh! This game is so cheap! Oh! Fuck you. I'm not looking at you. Fuck, I can't even... Stop laughing at me. Shit and call it. What the fuck? Oh! Shut up, phone! Rage quit this shit. I'm not